come you can never see what a pig writes? They're always using invisible oink. The jokes just get worse, folks, I tell you. To do these drawings, you have to be able to do 3 simple things, okay? They are a straight line, a zigzag, okay, and a curvilinear line. Could be an S-curve, C-curve. You get the idea. Now, if you can do those simple things, then folks, you can follow along and draw, and I know you can. So let's get started. Now today, we're gonna start with something I don't believe we've ever started with before. And it's a curvilinear line that actually goes all the way from the start point and back. It's called a circle, okay? We almost never draw circles on this show. Now, here's the thing about circles, okay? You can draw them in parts if you like. I'm just gonna go for it. I'm just gonna go like that. Okay, now if your circle doesn't look too circular, don't sweat it, okay? You could do this. You can make a little line, come back to this side, and kind of like feel your way through until you get something circular. Nobody's gonna judge you for that, okay? Now we're inside that circle. We're gonna wanna do this. A little line here, and a little line there. All right, now, up here at the top of the circle, okay? Here's the center. I'm just gonna inch my way over to, I would say, if you're looking at a clock face, somewhere around like between the 1 and the 2. Okay, between the 1 and the 2, something like that. And you're gonna do a diagonal line like that, okay? See that? You're gonna do the same thing over here. Diagonal line, and this one's gonna be like between the 10 and 11, I guess. Or maybe it's the 11. You know, kind of make it about the same as the other one, angle-wise, okay? There you go. So far, you've got this little alien head. All right, that's what you want it to look like. All right, now, I'm gonna travel up from this line as if I were following it along, okay? Leaving a little space here, and then I'm gonna make a curvilinear line that stops where this line would intersect with it. See that? This one goes here, that one goes there. Alrighty, we leave a little space in between. Excellent. All right, now we're going to do from here a diagonal line out to about right there. So I want you to sort of look at where the top of your circle is. Imagine dropping down to about where the top of this little line is here, okay? So about there, maybe a little higher, all right? And if you want, you can give yourself a little target to aim for. I think that's always a good idea. See that? A little target. And then I just drop it straight down like that. Same over here. Give myself a little target right there, okay? Opposite. And remember, we're just doing some symmetry here, right? So this side should, whoops, draw that out a little farther. These should each look about the same, this side and that side, okay? If they're not perfect, don't worry about it. I'm gonna shorten these up just a hair. There we go. Uno, dos. That feels pretty good. All right, now all you have to do here is just pop these back this way, little diagonal, 1 and 2, okay? Following along with this line up to that corner, okay, we're gonna keep drawing it this way and then do the same over here. And all we have to do now is curvilinear line to loop it back. See, that's a C curve like that. And another like that. Ah, what did we just draw there, gang? What is it? It's a piglet. This is gonna be such a cute drawing. You're gonna like this. Now, starting from about the center of this line here, this little guy right here, we're gonna draw another C curve, and it's going to come down and around to here, okay? And it's not that big, look, just like that. So check out the size of that, measure, okay, and say, okay, how big is that exactly? Think about it, and then knock it in, all right? Now, where did I stop? Look at this, did I go all the way down to the center? No, 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 not at all. Stop right here, just underneath this line right here. See that, where that side of the nose is there for the pig, okay? And here I'm just gonna do a little diagonal line like that, all right? And next to it, I do a little line. And then from there, I travel up to there. Same angle. Okay, and then a little scoop following this curve right here. Little scoopity-doop right there. And then we're gonna do the same thing on this side. Little line here, up we go. And that's gonna curve around and connect right there, okay? Try and get that a little better. All right, don't worry if it's not perfectly symmetrical, nobody's gonna care, all right? Now out here, to the left of this line, I'm gonna draw another one and stop higher than where that line ends. Same on this side, okay? So 1 and 2, following the same angles of those legs. And all that's doing is helping me communicate that this pig has 4 legs and is standing slightly in a 3/4 view with the body, even though the head is facing us directly, okay? And right here, bow, you pop in a cute little tail. Adorable. Come on. All right, now he's gonna be standing in some mud. How do I do that? C-curve, overlap, C-curve, independent C-curve, okay? In here, 1 and 2. And then again, 1, and maybe 1, 2. All right, do a couple of those little marks if you like, a couple dots here and there. And that just gives us a nice muddy ground for that little piglet, okay? How do you want to make this your own? Well, you could add some foliage in the background, some other barnyard animals, whatever you like. You could give the pig, you know, a nice little bowler. Okay, it's up to you. It's your drawing. Customize it, personalize it, make it your own.